Hey everybody, so we have a haul today, and if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe, and if you're a comer backer, please like and comment. So I took the day off yesterday because this weekend was a very sad weekend. Had a few people pass away, and a family member is really sick. My mom called me Sunday, so I have a uncle who was diagnosed with dementia, and I only have a couple of relatives, so just sad. So anyways, yeah, on to the haul. Hubby's going to take me to the fair this week, so that'll be fun. So anyways, we'll get started with the sourdough. They call this a turbo loaf, and I love this bread. Makes the best toast and grilled cheese ever. Got a couple of baby bok choy, and I'm already seeing, what do you call those, gnats or whatever, so I'm pretty positive those things are coming from our produce. I got a dozen free-range eggs. These were $2.39. I got a package of garlic pepper turkey tenderloins. You've seen me cook those on the grill. You get 2 of those in here, and they're really good. They're really juicy and tender. This was an Amazon buy. I think it was only a couple of dollars. I did it through Subscribe and Save and then canceled it. It is a pound of couscous, the Moroccan style. And then these were on sale for I think they were 69 cents, 55 yards of dental floss. And I don't usually give prices because the prices are not the same where you live as they are here, or even in the city or store in a town or mile down the road. So that's really weird. I got this grass-fed beef. I got 2 pounds of it. It's the 85.15. I got some butter because I'm out. I got some Serrano chilies. I got some more cod to add to the freezer. Got my favorite Dave's Killer bread, the 21 whole grain. Still trying, Mitzi. Still trying to eat as healthy as we can, as long as we can afford it. I got a six pack of avocados, and I always say I'm going to freeze them. We end up eating them, but I think I'm going to freeze them. I got some peaches just to make my mom a small batch of peach jam, but they're hard as a rock, so we'll have to wait. I got some, they're supposed to be yellow potatoes, so bag of potatoes. Got a head of cabbage that was, I think, $2.39. I got this for $1.69. It is the Funfetti brownie mix, so I might make the kids behind me some brownies for Halloweeny. I got 2 boxes of the instant mashed potatoes, the Great Value brand. They're just plain, and they'll go into storage. These are 1 pound boxes, and they're just a little over $1. I was going to take some canned tomato sauce I have. I have a 12 pack and a number 10 size can I was going to make my own tomato soup, but I bought a package of 4, and I think I'm just going to turn that into spaghetti sauce because my husband won't eat anything pretty much except for chicken or turkey noodle soup. So he'll have to suck it up in the winter when things get bad. Widen his horizons or broaden his horizons. So I think I'll turn that tomato sauce into pasta sauce because we do use a lot of that. I got, I think this is, an 8-pack of tuna fish. It was $8. It's expensive, but it's the good stuff. I got this Goya fish fritter mix. You can use it to make fritters with fish and shrimp. So I got some of that. So I have my freeze-dried fish and I have freeze-dried shrimp, and then I have fish. I try and keep a good batch of that in the freezer. And I got 2 more cans, and I tried to rinse these off, of the pumpkin puree, and you get 2 cans for $2. I got some romaine lettuce. I got some late July snacks. I've never tried these. These are the jalapeno lime tortilla chips, non-GMO, made with organic yellow corn. These were $2.39. Chips are getting very expensive, so that's literally going to be a luxury type of treat. And let me move some stuff, and I'll just do a separate video. So that'll be it for this video. I think that's everything. Yeah, I think that's everything. So I have some stuff for the pantry besides the tuna and the tomato soup and the potatoes, and I keep up on the pumpkin I'll have it for if I want pumpkin pie, pumpkin bread, or for my dogs. It's a really good item to keep if you have dogs, so I would highly recommend that. Even if you have a dog with kidney disease, they can eat the pumpkin. It's actually good to add to their diet because they're prone to ulcers and stuff. So, and a dog with pancreatitis, it's good for them. So pumpkins just all around good to keep around for the dogs. This is for the pantry because it will last. So yeah, and then this is for a recipe, and my jalapenos are starting to come in and my bell peppers are coming in, so I'll be canning my salsa. And we'll probably do a video doing stuffed bell peppers with our bell peppers. And yeah, I need to put this away and can up some chicken before I go to bed. So anyways, I hope you all are doing well. You stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video. And if you have a fair or festival or something going on in town, go out, have fun. Don't stress about the world right now and everything going on. Take some time for yourself and enjoy. So I will see you all soon.